Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ebony if you are new here. In today's video we are doing a clean with me. So I just really needed to pick up the house. We had a busy weekend ahead of us, so I just wanted to make sure the house was neat and tidy for the upcoming weekend.
And I really wanna know if I will ever figure out where the road goes, even if I'm falling down.
And the order that I'm going in as far as cleaning today is pretty much how I clean my house every single time I clean it. So I sort of do have a routine. I always start in the entryway and just sort of work my way around the house. But doing it this way definitely helps me stay on schedule and not seem like I'm cleaning forever. So if you're needing to start some type of routine as far as cleaning to make sure it becomes a habit, definitely have sort of like a plan ahead of you, and that will definitely help when cleaning, so it doesn't feel like you're doing it all day long.
Trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground. And I really wanna know if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my...
As you can tell, this is definitely our catch-all space. It just seems like every time we come in the door, we always place items right here on the countertop. So I know everyone has that space in their house. I would love to hear what your catch-all space is down in the comments below.
The sky is falling down. Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down.
So now I'm working on the dishes and just placing all the dishes in the dishwasher, and then we're going to clean the sink and the countertops within the kitchen.
Sunny day, but it's cold outside. It tingles in my heart.
The one thing I always use to clean my sink is the Dawn Power Wash. It is really good if you're wanting to deep clean your sink. So I definitely recommend it. You can get it from like your local Target or Walmart, but it works really great whenever you want to clean your sink.
That's why I want to sing about the Christmas on its way. A reason to hang around and celebrate this day. Everyone's smiling and it's snowing. It's the time of year again. I'm happy you're here, my winter wonderland. I'm walking around making small talk with people that pass me by. I share a laugh.
So I am a coffee person to where I have to have it every single morning. I'm definitely not a cold coffee. For some reason, I just cannot, I don't know, I just don't like cold coffee. But I always have to have me a hot protein coffee every single morning. But I'm just going to clean my coffee pot, and then we are going to work our way around the countertop and then into like my desk area and living room.
The time of year again. I'm happy you're here, my winter wonderland. No, it's the time of year, winter wonderland. My winter wonderland is the time.
The spray that I'm using today for cleaning all of my surfaces throughout the house is the Everspring spray. Now, I do like Everspring, however, it is not a strong smell. So if you are wanting to, clean with like an all natural cleaner and you don't want anything strong, that is perfect. I do prefer Mrs. Meyer's more, but I'm just trying to get rid of this bottle. But like I said, Every Spring is good, but I do prefer Mrs. Meyer's more.
My winter wonderland. Oh, my winter wonderland.
Also want to mention that I do change out my cloth for the different rooms that I am cleaning. So like pretty much for every room, I change my microfiber cloth. So the kitchen cloth is not being used like in the living room or the bathroom. So by the end of cleaning, I definitely do have about 4 or 5 towels or cloths that I do have to wash, but that's just pretty much a part of my routine at this point.
I don't make a sound when I shut the door.
So as far as the living room goes, we're just going to clean the surfaces of the entertainment center, and then we're also just going to tidy up a bit in here as well. So that clear bin, once it fills up, is actually placed in our entryway table whenever you walk in, and I just place that in there, and then all of our mail and stuff, once that gets filled up, I organize it, go through it, throw away things that needs to be thrown away, and that just seems to work best. So it's not piling up, and it's not like I'm having to spend a whole day, you know, going through all of our papers.
We can spend all day in bed. I get the wine and the corkscrew. You don't have to do one single thing. You don't know how much I want you. Just looking at you makes my
So as you can tell, Eleni has decided to redecorate our tree with all of her small stuffed animals. I am very, not anal, but for some reason I always feel like I want my tree to look like aesthetically pleasing. But after she decorated, I definitely couldn't take them down. So there they are. She won those at like a Bumper Jumpers. We go there every so often, and she won all of those playing a game. So she came home and decorated the tree, and I just decided to leave it up there. So I'm pretty proud of myself for that.
We can spend all day in bed.
I also want to mention I do have some exciting news coming up soon. I'm definitely going to share it with you guys in the next couple of videos. Not 100% sure, but I do have some exciting news that's going to bring a lot of new content to my channel, so just stay tuned for that. So if you're not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. I've been posting, my goal is to post every Wednesday and Sunday. I was going to do Friday and Sunday, but that just seems to be too close together, so we're going to try Wednesday and Sunday for the time being, and then we're just going to see how that goes.
The sky is blue, the sun is high. Sitting here on my own, I think of you.
So it's definitely not like a detail cleaning day, but I wanted to just at least wipe down the countertops and clean the sink in both of the bathrooms, and then of course just tidy up, put the toys back where they go, and things like that as far as the shower goes. So like I said, no detail cleaning, but definitely just wanting things to look neat and tidy for the weekend.
To me, that's alright. I spend my days just dreaming about you. Well, now that's just what I will do. I'm telling you, the sky is blue, the sun is high. I'm sitting here on my own. I think of you, you're on my mind, you know. To me, that's alright. Green grass on my neighbor's lawn. Maybe I should take a stroll. to me that's alright.
Still got your pearls hanging by my bedside. Still got your lips on paper in a trash now. I never knew.
So the last couple things I need to do is I need to mop and vacuum the floors. And I actually use this Tineco, I think it's the Tineco 2, and I just purchased it from Walmart, but it actually mops and vacuums your floors at the same time. This has been a game changer when it comes to cleaning the floors, because I was always the type of person to sweep my floors, but I was not looking forward to mopping it. So now that I can do both of those things at the same time is like a miracle worker. So I definitely recommend it. I think it's like on sale for like $100 right now at Walmart. It's sort of like their Black Friday sale that they have extended or something like that, but definitely check it out. It does have to be maintained, so I did read a few of the reviews, and it did say that you have to clean it fairly often, and then you have to air dry it. So I do that every use, and that seems to work great. So once again, I cannot recommend this product enough. So definitely check it out. I'll see if I can link it down below. And like I said, you can get it at Walmart for like $100, but I'll put it in my description box just in case you want just like the direct link to it.
Feels uneasy. Oh, Emily, when did you fall right out of love? Oh, Emily, when did the magic stop for us? Oh, but Emily, you are the part of me I feel. It will kill me when you leave and close my door. Who said it'd be?
I didn't film it, but I did mop the entire floor, and then I also vacuumed the rugs as well in each room. So but that was pretty much the last thing I needed to do, and then I'm going to show you how every room looked afterwards. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it inspired you to get something done today, and don't forget I post every Wednesday and Sunday for the moment, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.